here to celebrate the coming together of three titans. Fortis Group, Escorts Heart and Research Institute and Wokhard Hospitals in Mumbai, Kolkata and Bangalore have come together to create India's first healthcare superpower.
I consider this as a pleasure and a big privilege to be standing in front of all of you today. As Janelia explained, it's a coming together of three giants, and we are very proud to be a part of this coming together. And I welcome all those who have been a part of this, that is the doctors who have been supporting us through all these years, and those giants and those clinicians who have been creating history and creating many medical milestones as a part of this team. I welcome you all for this evening.
Moving ahead with our first performance, I would request all of you to put your hands together because our first performance is all about Ghumar. This was a flavor of Rajasthan. और आगे बढ़ते हैं आपको बहुत सारा हंसाने के लिए. We have none other but एहसान कुरैशी.
वो कार्ड ऑफ 40s वाले तो छा गए, सबके मन को भा गए, और आप लोगों ने इतने प्यार से बुलाया, हम लोखंड वाला से चलकर होटल सहारा में आ गए. हंसने हंसाने की बात शुरू करते हैं. ये वो देश है दोस्तों जहां मौत से हंसी निकलती है, मरते मरते आदमी हंसाता है. दो लाइन आपको सुनाता हूं, पसंद आए तो ताली बजाना, पसंद ना आए तो ज्यादा बजाना. मौत से कैसे हंसी निकलती है, दो लाइन आपको सुनाता हूं. फांसी पे चढ़ते हुए कैदी से जज साहब ने कहा, फांसी पे चढ़ते हुए कैदी से जज साहब ने कहा, अपनी अंतिम इच्छा बताइए. कैदी बोला, मेरे बदले आप ही लटक जाइए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत.
Well, thank you. Now we're going to move ahead with a wonderful performance for what we all are waiting over here. Yes, the premier interactive drumming show from South Africa.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Are you there? Are you all okay? Beautiful. My name is Mpho, and we're from the Drum Cafe. And today, we are here to have a lovely time with you guys. So please, underneath your tables, there's drums. Can you take them out? Underneath the tables, there's drums. So can everybody pick them drums up? Underneath the tables, you'll get a nice drum. Let's all participate. What's going to happen is, we're going to start in rhythm. Please, don't be shy. Okay? When you start in rhythm, join us. Play whatever you like on the drums, all right? And always keep your eyes on me, right? And please, let's relax. Yes? And let's breathe in and out. And let's smile. Yes? And enjoy each other's company. Beautiful stuff. Let's do this. Yeah, hancho. Yebo! Yebo, 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 yebo. Oh! Hey, 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 hey. Fire! Let me see you play your drums. Yebo! 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 Yes, sir! Yebo! 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 Ah, she can shout! Hey! Yebo! Yebo! Oh! Love this song! Yebo! 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 Right. Ladies and gentlemen, please, with both hands, follow me on the drum. Let me see those hands. Let me see those. Oh, man. This is so beautiful. Let's all go. Yep. Yep. Nice one. Whoa. Ah. I love this. I love it. I know. Now, everybody, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go. 2, 3, 4. Woo! Let's go. Go. On this side, please. Hey, 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 hey. Don't forget to smile. Yes? Let's all smile. Woo! Hey, hey, one more time. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, we stop. Wow. Now, on the count of 4 and 5, just give me one beat. Only one beat on your drums, right? On 5. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. One beat. Only one on the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Wow, now that was beautiful. Let's try 2 beats. Yes, we can, huh? Together, 2 beats is nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not one, go and have a drink and come back. 2 beats. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Wow, now we always have to move a step forward. Yes? 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Right. 4 beats. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Wow. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Let's try 9 beats. 9. 9 beats. Yes? 9 beats. Let's try 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Everybody, rumble. Let's rumble. Let's rumble. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for inviting us here today, and please enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you so much.
Well, as the evening comes to a close, I hope all of you, like me, all of you had a wonderful time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for all the support without which we would have not reached to this level which we are today. As we begin a new journey, I'm sure we can look forward to great times with important patrons like you. Thank you once again.